Welcome back to episode 2 of our Algo Trading series. In the last video, we covered what Algo Trading is and why it's such a game changer today. We're getting our hands dirty and diving into the best no-code platforms you can start using in 2025, even if you've never written a single line of code, ready to automate your trading. Let's go. Just a quick recap. Algo Trading is all about letting a computer follow your rules to trade for you 24/7. It's automated, it's emotion-free, and it's powerful. But the big question everyone asks is, how do I start without being a coding genius? Well, that's exactly what we're going to answer today. These platforms make it incredibly easy for beginners. First up on our list is a tool you probably already know and love, TradingView. It's one of the most popular charting platforms on the planet, but did you know it has a powerful strategy builder? You don't even need to code. You can find thousands of ready-made scripts in their community library, apply them directly to your charts, and see how they would have performed in the past. Then, you can set up alerts that automatically send signals to a trading bot or directly to an exchange. It's the perfect bridge between charting and automation. Next, let's talk about Pionex. If you're into crypto, this one is a must-see. Pionex is a crypto exchange with trading bots built right in. That means no extra software, no complicated connections, it's all in one place. You can launch grid trading bots to profit from market volatility, set up DCA bots to average into a position, or even run arbitrage bots. It's designed to be super user-friendly, making it an ideal starting point for anyone new to crypto bot trading. Now, if you want to get a bit more creative without writing code, you have to check out Krill.io. This platform is amazing because it lets you build a trading strategy by literally dragging and dropping blocks. Think of it like building with Lego, but for trading. You can connect blocks for price triggers, indicators, and actions. It's incredibly visual and intuitive. Plus, Krill has a marketplace where you can rent successful strategies from other, more experienced traders. So you can either build your own or learn from the pros. What if you're more interested in stocks or forex? For more advanced users, platforms like QuantConnect or AlgoTrader are fantastic options. While they are known for their powerful coding environments, they also offer no-code or low-code solutions. These platforms give you access to professional-grade backtesting tools and a massive amount of historical data, allowing you to test your strategies with incredible precision before you risk any real money. They're a step up in complexity, but offer unmatched power and flexibility. Okay, so we've covered for great platforms, but which one is right for you? Let's break it down. If you're looking for simple, built-in crypto bots that you can set and forget, start with Pionex. If you live and breathe charts and want to create strategies based on technical signals, TradingView is your best friend. If you want the flexibility to build custom strategies from scratch using a visual drag-and-drop editor, give Krill a try. And finally, if you're a more advanced trader looking for institutional-grade tools for stocks or forex, then exploring QuantConnect is the way to go. So there you have it, the top no-code platforms to kickstart your algo trading journey in 2025. In our next episode, I'm going to walk you through creating your very first trading bot, step by step, with no coding required. It's going to be a practical, hands-on tutorial you won't want to miss. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're the first to know when it drops. And I want to hear from you. Which of these platforms are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below which one you want me to do a full, in-depth tutorial on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.